I want to talk about engine 141. I have a few changes to 141 related to the nozzles. So we were fortunate to be able to replace all the nozzles. So all of engine 141's attack line nozzles, the 1 3/4 hose and the 2-inch hose, they all have new nozzles. Either new that came when we bought the fire truck or brand new this year. So we stayed with the same brand. Still the orange nozzles, right, our 1 3/4 hose. Same way with the blue nozzle, 1 3/4 hose, 150 gallon a minute and a 75 psi nozzle pressure. No changes there. And they are the Chief XD model. So just an upgrade from what we had before. It does carry a spare old nozzle. So this can be used for training and whatever if you have to build up another line. So that's the old one we had. It's carried in the compartment marked with the 1 3/4 nozzle. You can see we have the new one on the orange line there. And of course we also have, walk it around, the new green 2-inch. So same nozzle, pump operators, nozzle folks, nothing different about the nozzle. Has a little bit better bumper protection, operates the same, constant gallonage, fixed pressure type of nozzle. All of our nozzles are 75 psi on the attack. So those were the changes to engine 141 in terms of nozzles. You'll see that. So when you see the brand new nozzles, make sure that they get back on engine 141.